What's going on? It's your girl Chanel Stevens, and I'm back again with another video. And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how using Claude and Higgsfield together are basically changing the game for CPA marketing. I literally built out this full CPA marketing campaign all in one go in literally less than 1 hour using Claude and Higgsfield. So all you gotta do is watch this whole entire video and you'll know how to use these two tools together to actually make money for yourself in the real world, because a lot of people understand these tools but they don't know how to turn it into income. So I'm gonna be using these two tools with CPA affiliate marketing and showing you how you can make money by building out full CPA marketing campaigns and running them for yourself. So let's get right into it. I don't want to waste any time. All right, so I'm on Maxbounty right now. When it comes to picking offers, if you're not familiar with any of my recent videos, I'm just going to sort by EPC because that's basically how you find top offers by top network EPC. It's just proof that other affiliates are making money and they're running the actual offer. So as you can see, Lovable is the #1 offer on Maxbounty right now. They're paying out $112 per lead with a $7 EPC. Pretty crazy. $7 EPC is just nuts. So it's a high converting offer. It's a high payout offer, so that's probably why the EPC is so high also, but they allow all traffic sources. I would run something like this with Facebook traffic. I feel like it has a good audience on there. So this is the offer that I'm gonna use for this video, just the #1 offer on Maxbounty right now. So let's just dive right into it. All right, so first things first is to enter in a prompt into Claude. I already connected my Higgsfield MCP server. So basically my Higgsfield account is already connected to Claude. So all I got to do is literally just talk to it and it's going to just spit out exactly what I need. Now, when it comes to this prompt, I'm not going to show the full prompt because it is part of my prompt pack. Link is below in the description, but I'll show you exactly what the prompt gives me. All right, so these are the results from the actual prompt. And as you can see, I wanted it to basically ground it in realistic claims because one of the restrictions on the offer was that it had to be realistic claims for the builder. Can't be making up what the AI builder can actually do. Just made sure that that was part of the prompt, and it spit me out a customer avatar. So basically this is going to come in handy when it comes to targeting the demographics, female, male. It is a worldwide offer, so you don't have to just target the US. Gave us some native ad angles right here. It also gave us a landing page prompt, which we can go ahead and just drop this in Lovable right now. So I'm just gonna copy this and I'm just gonna throw this in Lovable and get that started so I can show you how fast I can come up with the full CPA campaign. So as the landing page is getting built, what I can do now is generate the 3 different native ad angles. So let's just go ahead and generate those right now. I'm just going to talk and just say it. So these angles are pretty good. Can you generate 3 native ad images for me with nano banana? I need the pain point, curiosity, and direct benefit. Make them look like real Facebook native ads with hooks built in. That should be good. So let's just get that. All right, so let's get that working. As that's working, we can see more. It even gave us a native traffic outline. So just how we should run the actual campaign, type of assets we should set up, literally break even math. My prompt comes with all this. So literally a full campaign breakdown. And right now I'm using the Higgsfield MCP server to generate the images. So the ads have finished rendering. So it took a little second, probably like a minute or so. And this is what it came up with: my pain point angle, my curiosity angle, and direct benefit angle. And also gave me some prompts for it. Also showed me the prompts they use to actually generate these ads. So really, really valuable. And you can see I got quoted 8,000 to build my app idea. So I tried describing it to an AI instead. That's a good angle. I typed 1 sentence and it built the whole app. Good curiosity angle. I launched my app this weekend. Direct benefit. So no code, no developer. I'm not even technical. All right, so once that's generated, the next thing to do is just create an actual video ad. I like to launch native ads and videos. So that's just my style. You could do all native ads and just see kind of how the campaign performs. I just like to have both. Just the more to test, the better for me. So let's just say, can you take the direct benefit angle that we generated with Higgsfield Nano Banana model and turn that into a video ad using C-Dance and Kling? Can you also make sure that the reference image doesn't have any text and is a clean image, and that you just include a hook for a 10-second video that matches the angle. All right, so what it did was, first things first, it generated an image, and then from there it generated an actual prompt. All right, so it basically generated me 2 videos. So this is the first video.
I'm not technical, but I built and launched a real app this weekend. I just described it to an AI. No code, no developer.
See this one?
I'm not technical, but I built and launched a real app this weekend. I just described it to an AI. No code, no developer.
All right, so I feel like the first one is way more natural. But of course I would test both. Both the lip syncs are lined up and things like that. So I would test both just because I like seeing like what the audience kind of likes most. I just let the data decide really. And I always split test. So, and that's just one angle. Of course, you will want to generate more angles for your video ads, just like you did for your native ads. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to do these 2 generations. So let's just check on that page we built. All right, so we got turn your app idea into a real product without code or a developer. So it looks like it's a direct benefit type landing page. Of course, if you're familiar with my testing strategy, I like to build 3 different pages also to match the emotional angles that I generate. Let's just check it out on mobile, see how it looks, so you guys can see that Lovable builds some pretty nice pages. So this looks real clean, professional, has some testimonials, everything like that. And all you got to do is just input your tracking link right here. That'll take them to the actual offer page. So looks really, really good and professional. I would run something like this. So we literally just built out a full CPA campaign. So let's just zoom out for a second and see what this actually looks like. All right, so here's the full zoom out of everything we got. We inserted in the prompt. We were able to get the customer avatar. That's going to help us when it comes to the targeting and things like that. They also use the customer avatar to come up with the pain points, the curiosity and direct benefit angle, that we were able to generate these images using Higgsfield. We were able to come up with a landing page prompt from that avatar also, and you can see it right here. This is like a direct benefit, I want to say, angle. But yeah, of course I would generate more angles to match each of these pain points. A traffic breakdown, just some tips on targeting and ad set structure right there that it came up with. Also the 2 video ads here. Of course I like that first one better, but I love to split test videos also. And of course you will come up with 3 different angles for your videos as well, because this is just one, which is just a direct benefit angle for these 2, but of course we can make even more. So I'm just showing you guys how simple and easy it is to set up a CPA campaign using Claude and Higgsfield. Like, you literally can come up with all your creatives, the whole traffic strategy, etc., just using this tool. So this is really, really valuable. I hope you guys really like take note on this video and implement this, because this can be a game changer for your business. If you're somebody who's looking to make money with CPA marketing, Higgsfield, Claude, whatever, and you just don't know how to turn it into income, this is, I feel like, the easiest and simplest way to do that, because you're just taking simple offers from Maxbounty and then just running them as an affiliate. And I feel like being an affiliate is just the easiest, best beginner business model out there. It doesn't get any easier. You don't need any inventory, etc. But I'm done making my case for CPA. You guys know I'm just an advocate, because that's just what changed my life. But yeah, this is the build out from that one prompt. If you want access to the master prompt, it is down below in the description, so check out that link if you want access to the actual prompt that built this full campaign out. And that's all I got for this video, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.